In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a dynamic GitHub-powered AI agent in n8n. We'll start by wiring up the trigger that makes this workflow interactive. Add the When Chat Message Received node so the flow kicks off the moment a user sends a message. This sets the stage for real-time back-and-forth conversations with your agent. Next, define the GitHub sources your agent can learn from using the Set GitHub Repo URLs node. Here you list the skill repositories you want to pull from, such as popular public skills libraries. Keep this list flexible. You can add or remove repositories anytime as your agent's responsibilities grow. To make processing efficient, use splitout to break the repo list into individual items. This lets the workflow handle each repository independently and in parallel, which speeds up discovery and keeps the design modular. Now let the agent see what's available. Use the list root dirs and list skills dirs nodes to fetch directories and files from each repository. Checking both the root and the skills folder ensures the agent has a complete view of potential skill files. Before we go further, clean the listings so we only keep what matters. With remove skills, dirs and dot files, and remove errors and dot files. Filter out hidden files, boilerplate like readme or license, and any directories you don't need. This reduces noise, saves API calls, and keeps your context lean. Merge everything you kept into a single coherent map with merge directory structures. This unified directory becomes your authoritative catalog of skills the agent can call upon. With that in place, configure the AI agent node. Feed it the merge directory as a system prompt and instruct it to rely solely on the skill files. When a user asks a question, the agent identifies the relevant skills, fetches those files concurrently, and executes the instructions they contain. Include guidance in the system message on how to traverse directories and retrieve files so it knows exactly how to operate. To fetch content on demand, use list files by path name to explore directories dynamically, then get a file from GitHub to pull the file contents as plain text. This ensures the agent reads clean text instructions rather than dealing with encoded blobs. Optionally, add simple memory to preserve prior turns and a chat model to generate responses. Both are swappable, so you can tune behavior or performance as needed. Finally, place sticky notes throughout the workflow to explain design choices, how skill fetching works, and where to add more repositories for future editors. By the end, you'll have a real-time chat agent that discovers skills across multiple repositories, fetches only what it needs, follows instructions faithfully, and is easy to extend.